Yeah guys, it's Teddy, Ruby and Pip here, and today is probably the best ever video we've ever done before. Yeah, and in the background it's different because we're at our mum and granddad's house. Yeah, so that's why. So today we have got a new camera. Yes! We got a camera, we got a Canon EOS 1300D. We got it from Argos. And let's just open it right now. We ordered it offline because... Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. We ordered it offline because yesterday we tried to get it, but it wasn't there. It was all sold out. So we just got it online. And like, we deleted that video. Yeah, but also it didn't go online. This will be an even better video. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that, guys. And look at the top right there. Jeez. Right, let's open this thing. Let's open this baby. I'm not opening it. Okay. Boring things. Right, just get this. Oh my gosh. We're filming on Pippa's phone right now, so bye-bye phone. So first, let's look at this. So we've got a strap for the thingies. So right there. Next, we've got a charger. We've got the awesome lens. So we're going to put on in a bit. There's a battery charger. We've got the battery charger for the thing. Here's the battery. What's this? Just another charger. Here's some bubble wrap. And, oh my gosh. My bubble wrap. Oh my gosh. I'm holding a Canon EOS 1300D. I think we already know that. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So what is good about it is that it's like really light, so it, like when you're carrying it around everywhere, like you can just be exhausted. And it's got a light on it. Good grip and everything. It's got a light and like has it? Yeah. That's where you put the camera. That's where you put the microphone there. You can put the microphone there. Different modes there. Buttons. Let's take this off. Could you open the package for the lens? This up? Yeah. Oh, yes. No, it's in. Yeah, the lens. Oh, the lens. Oh my gosh! I'm amazed. Oh yeah. Right, so let's just get this out. Take that bit off there. Oh, right. And then don't touch the lens, and then screw that off there. Nope. Oh, maybe not. That's meant to go on. Oh. Yeah, take that. No, but then how we meant to. Oh right. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put this on you. Do you not? Because then you'll be able to see it. Right. I don't know how to get this on right now. Oh, I just love zooming in now and stuff. Right. We'll see you guys when we got this on. Alright, so we got it all sorted, yeah. We actually had to look on a YouTube video. I found like the white square and stuff, like match the white square to the white square. It was really easy. So it's kind of got a little bit heavier. Yeah, because of the lens, but it's quite heavy. It's alright. So look through there and then do the zooming in thing. Yeah. It's so cool, isn't it? Yeah. So let's see if this battery has some juice in it. Wow, that's cool. So if you can see that, there's like a little slap thing there. Slap. I don't know why I said slap. A little thing. Okay, that's not what you put on. I think it's.
You put it
in at the bottom. Did you see that? Just come up closer.
So I'm gonna put this in there. Just need to take the wrapping thing off. Exciting! Yeah. So anything's on there. It's a little thing. Take this off. Probably not. Just put it in. I think. Put that that bit at the bottom. Right, you're all sorted. Then where's the on button? The on button. Let's have a look. Move your leg. There's an on and off button. Is that on? Oh my gosh! Yes, yes. Okay, it's asking us to do the date. Okay, we'll see you guys when we've done everything.
Boring things. Okay, so we've done all the boring things. We haven't got SD card. Yeah, but I'm still saving it as well. Wait, what? What did happen? I'm not sure. I'm just going to just like the game. Yeah, you just. No, you just did. Ugh! Doing it again because we need a card. Just gonna get this out. Yeah. Done. No, here we come now. This is really annoying because, like, it's just really hard to work with, and it's really not focusing. Focus! We also need a card. Yeah, like you need a card in this thing. So we're gonna get one. Oh, it keeps on turning off. Okay, this is really fun now. Look at this. Yeah, so guys, yeah, we got a camera. And our videos should get better quality now. They can't just move. And these videos should get really better quality now. And let's just do some close-ups. Okay, go. So if you did like this video, please do leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to Teddy Moo, and then you'll be part of the team Teddy Moo fam lamb. And there's something else I wanted to tell you about this camera. Hang on, I kind of mumbled then. There's something else I wanted to tell you about this camera. It's because it got some really good grip. It was £300 if you want to buy it, and it was 2016 model. And it's perfect. It's like really great for starters and stuff if you want to do videos, and it's really, really fun. Like, I love, my favorite is like zooming in and out. It's really fun. Yeah. Okay. So we